All right, guys, it's week 3. We've had 4 accountability sessions so far. We've got 2 more to go. We're gonna add a couple more goals now, all to do with hydration. A lot of people, they reach for soft drink or juices when they want to quench their thirst. What we're going to try to do is start eliminating some of those things, okay? We usually see great results when people start to implement this. So one goal that we're going to give to you for this week is try to just drink water, and we're going to set an amount of water, minimum of 2 liters per day, okay? Now, if for your work you are sweating a fair bit and you're losing a bit more fluids than others, really do try to drink a little bit more than that, but we're going to set a minimum of 2 liters, and that really is for someone who may just be sitting in aircon and just doing 1 workout a day, okay?
So there you go, goals for week 3, minimum 2 liters of water. We're replacing all that orange juice, soft drink, all that bad stuff. We're chucking it out, we're drinking only water for a minimum of 2 liters this week.